The Vada Pav recipe will be made in two steps. The first is making the potato mixture or the vada mixture, and the next step is making the batter and then combining the two. Today we are going to make Vada Pav. The ingredients are besan or gram flour, boiled and mashed potatoes, medium-sized potatoes, salt, red chilli powder, haldi or turmeric powder, garam masala, dhania or coriander powder, rye or mustard seeds, baking powder, garlic paste or chopped garlic, chopped green chillies, curry leaves or curry patta, and chopped cilantro or hara dhania or coriander leaves, and oil. We will make the potato mixture first and then make the batter. So heat some oil in the kadhai and keep the flame high. We're going to mix the potato mixture on high flame. Once the oil is hot, add the rye or mustard seeds and let them crackle. When the mustard crackles, add the garlic paste or the chopped garlic and mix this for a while. And then add the curry patta or the curry leaves. Stir a bit. Add the chopped green chilies and stir fry this mixture till the garlic is roasted a light brown color. The garlic is roasted now, so add the mashed potatoes. Stir mix the mashed potatoes a few times. And now add the salt, the red chili powder, the haldi or turmeric powder, coriander powder, the garam masala, and the chopped hara dhania or cilantro. Now mix the potatoes well with all the spices and the masalas. The potato mixture is ready now to make the vadas, and now we'll move on to step 2, that is making the batter. These are the ingredients for the batter, the besan. So to the besan, add the haldi or the turmeric powder and salt and some water, a little, and stir. Batter is ready and it should be of this consistency so that it coats the vadas properly. And now make small balls the size of a ping pong ball from the potato mixture one by one. The vadas are ready. We'll coat with batter and fry them. Now keep oil for heating in a kadhai or wok, and when the oil is hot, you add the baking powder to the batter you already made and mix it. Add the baking powder just when you're going to coat the vadas. So now we'll coat the vadas one by one and fry them. After vadas are ready, so while the rest are being fried, we'll make vada pav. That's the pav, and we'll put one vada in each pav, which has been slit 3/4 of the way in the middle, and then we'll serve the vada pav with green chutney. This is the green chutney and some tomato sauce. So there's today's recipe, Vada Pav. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.